Shabbat Shalom.
Give me the power, give me the freedom. Your people are
Tiko
crying,
drink Kumba drong.
to listen, seeking for justice.
Ambazonia die. Maurice Kamto released.
In peace and harmony, Ambazonia.
This is the never again generation. It shall not happen. Tiko drink, Tiko must drunk. This is revolutionary hour. It's time for us to rewrite our history, breaking the curse of colonial bondage. Reversing the curse of Tiko drink Kumba drong. Wata na wata. Our victory is ours, and nobody can snatch it out of our mouth. Fellow good people of Ambazonia, today na number 6 day for the month of October 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for now. This episode is part of my series of the cultural war, the emancipation of Ambazonia, the breaking of cultural barriers to our progress, the reversing of all the curses of slavery and slave mentality. Welcome to a No Connie Talk presentation of my daily podcast. But first, we want to extend sympathy and solidarity with the Ayafo family following the death of Asongwa Edward, brother for Ayafo Florence, the warden, where the Atanganji poor people them for my country people. They be beheaded, cut the body. A brother fall for down, collapse, die after he watched the video of the beheading of his sister. Evidence that they come where they contradict some WhatsApp audio where they circulate claiming say Ayafo Florence be killed because he be the follow married man. New report it come from prisoner them where Mrs. Ayafo Florence be take care for them. Them say the warden Florence be very kind for Ambazonia detainee them. They be the koi say na Mama Ambazonia. La Republique he agent them for prison. They be always consider Madame Florence like Ambazonian supporter. This further they assert the fact say he be killed by those fake Amber boys the way they work with this La Republique the propagandists, my country people them. Ambazonia community, the need for set up their own block by block forces them for work together with the Amber boys them for make sure say they fit protect themselves against this atrocity where they be perpetrated by La Republique du Cameroon, their proxy agents. Still for the northern zone, Ambazonia citizens them for Bamenda, northern zone, they still be in shock with the death of Eric Tifang where they be catchy for around travelers neighborhood behind Radio Hot Cocoa for Bamenda. Ekelebe be catch two of these boy them in front of Mani eye for quarter. Their die body where they don't go see them now for inside bush from Quen. The examining of their die body shows that they no be even torture them. Their clothes and their body they no get any stress mark for beating. Then just carry this boy them, go move them, shoot them, put them for bush. Boy the way they never do anything for any person. It remind we say no man no be safe for Ambazonia. Whether you join the fighting or you not join them, Paul Biaran declare a war for all man in Ambazonia. That means say any man for our territory, whether you consider yourself as Anglophone or Ambazonia. Such random killings them be weakness, not only for village area. La Republique du Cameroon seems to then carry this impunity into our city centers. It is a troubling sign and a wake-up call for all Ambazonians to understand that an attack for one person is an attack for all we all. Make we touch base for news flash for today. Maurice Kamto will be arrested for the same crimes similar to those where many Ambazonia prisoners of conscience, including the Naira 12, be charged with, then be released without even being paraded in front of a judge. The release of Maurice Kamto, the show we who will be for this francophone and their government their eye. Now an insult for we who would fight our boys that they die every day, while civilian that they die, while population that rise, for say that they demand something, and the leader, Siseko, who is stand up for front, they don't catch and put them for prison, in violation of all international laws. And after Ambazonia they cry, after a fake national dialogue, the person where they move on first, now Maurice Kamto, For sure, we say will be na less than people them for that country. Will be na an inconvenience for La Republic du Cameroon. We deserve better. We cannot accept to live below our expectation as human beings for our rights. Nelson Mandela be talk say, you take away person a human right, you don't take away that person a humanity. Ambazonia must rise and demand that they be respected internationally as a Class B territory under the United Nations would deserve by right independence. Anything less than that will be a compromise of our human rights as a people. Back to our cultural revolution. One of the aspects for Ambazonia revolution now for emancipate ourselves from all mental slavery, all the effect of our years with La République du Cameroon, all the effect of our years under the British mandatory, all the years of us under the German forced labor system and the slavery brought upon us by the kingdom of the Ottoman Empire. The process for turn a people into slaves, a colony, or even second-class citizens, now for brainwash them by force or by conny, made them turn for accept the labeling and the view of their colonizer or oppressor as being their reality. Just like had the need for beat Nkunda Kinte, me accept the name Toby, now so the need for torture, punish, intimidate any slave or colonized people for accept an identity or a perception of themselves will not be real. For we for be free, we need for be free mentally. We need for also free ourselves from the cultural limitation them we then be passed upon us by the systems them we don't go through for over 300 years. Them then teach we say when an adult talk, a big man talk, as a small person you're not supposed to talk or for challenge that person. That one actually no be our culture. Now a slave mechanism where they be done pass them onto we from the time for German where they be use torture and forced labor. The brutality for torture subordinates or any person who question the authority them where the German people they be done put them, it be subjected to torture and humiliation. They want the subject for those say just leave them so that the system it will continue for be in place. Them no want anything like accountability. So if you talk something for public, now it be like a taboo, then give a catch you, they need to punish you. Then tell we say na two-side collapse. Ambazonian, our traditional collapse na two-side. Two-side collapse with the German people and the British people and La Republic they tell we say for be two-side collapse na bad thing. And one tell una say our country collapse na two-side. You need to be able for cut for right and for cut for left. We need to be bipartisan. Make we know they live with the idea say we need for the get a false choice. You must either choose A or B. You talk now because you support Mr. A or you talk for you support Mr. B. Because you like Mr. A, na your side. Any man will talk wrong for Mr. A, that means say na your enemy. We need for understand, say, like what country collapse when a two-side collapse. You need for able for see two people, you judge them based on the content of which way did they talk and which way did they do. If you support Ayabacho today, tomorrow you see say it do something way bad. You need for stand up, you challenge it, you reject it, and you look for somebody where if it be better, if it deny for change. The colonial system will be based on fear. The fear of punishment, of brutality of those the way they be above us. People, their opinion, they be shaped by their emotions of fear, love, and hate. We need to come out of that system and think based on rationality and principle. Otherwise, we will be deceived again and again. They will be manipulated again and again when they go compromise our leaders. It will be easy. We need to stay focused on principles and goals. We need to choose leaders based on competence and vision and inspiration where they don't put them before we. Not, they say we'll just trust them because we like them. No. The idea, say those in authority or where them be above us, when you criticize them, now an offense because they go take offense and they go feed beat you up or they go feed talk me other people then beat you up. Those are all fake things. The idea, say me will not talk anything for us when a criticism. It be wrong. The talk say me will not expose our dirty linen for outside. As a matter of fact, for Ambazonia, we wash clothes now for outside. We dry that clothes now for outside. Now when it done clean, we bring them back for inside house. We must be able to criticize and expose corruption, expose bad deeds for us to be able to have the country where people they demand them. What people they demand today, now Ambazonia, not be just an independent Ambazonia, but an Ambazonia with certain values. We need to make sure so we start practice today and demand today the type of things we want to see in Ambazonia tomorrow. We need for emancipate ourselves for we for be able to get into our promised land. We need for be in a position where we're not going to take criticism like attack, but we need for the respond to criticism by addressing the content of the critics and not the personality. Unless proven otherwise, we have to stay on principle. It will require a high level of collective intellectual smartness for Ambazonia, for project, for the international partners, and way they be interested for help we be give them that incentive for go ahead for help we, so we go be a different country other than way they be Siam initially for Southern Sudan. For over 3 years, we don't get the lessons enough for know the fighter them for ground we will need for support them. If tomorrow we still allow ourselves to be deceived by the same people who they done the deceive we for these 3 years, for begin put money for place and way no go bear no fruit. If we not fit support the general, then we would see they don't come out for do parade, for give we the pride, for show we say na then day for ground zero. We don't see them undisputedly the ADF and the 6th regiment them where then take part today for this Independence Day celebration with over 200 AK-47 in display. Need for tell Ambazonia then say na the way that forward. We need for give General Efang the sniper rifle the way they need them, the weapons them and the granates them where they need them for sustain the liberation of our homeland. We need for look down to General Arke and see how we can encourage and help them. And we need also to sideline all those who are seeking to take over groups and use them for political vendetta. Anybody we need for day for position of authority for Ambazonia need for day on the basis of 2 things: competence and effectiveness. Now wait you fit do as a leader. Any man for any position, it no matter where you did it. If you did it for any other reason other than that, will go fail. We need for stop for empower people them because they've been a financial donors. There is a place for donors in every society. Leadership is not one of them, in particularly during a time of war. The Ambazonian them, due to their financial capability and the ability for raise fund them, where they don't take control over the forces them, then be responsible for the country by country policy, then we will be adopt them. We be meant for empower them. It be cost the death of over 700 of our youths them and counting. We need for learn our lesson and for understand say there must be a leader. We must choose one person for lead us based on what criteria will it be the right one for use them. We don't see how La République du Cameroon don't send invitation for all we activism. How they reject them. We need for the project the authority for speak on our behalf for one person or for one command structure. We don't put enough things them for place for make sure say that leader he also be accountable and if he talk anything be based on a consensus amongst the leaders them. We need for be humble enough for accept the reality and not for shape reality according to our partisan view, but for make our views reflect the reality we they see for before our eyes. The greatest weapon against us from our enemy side, now our cultural weaknesses, now our tendency for divide for be divided. Overcoming these cultural barriers will be a very strong point for we forget our independence. We need to understand Ambazonian collapse na 2-side collapse. Ambazonian the wash close na for outside. We need for embrace multipartism. We no need for the surprise when one man they support 2 sides. We no need for be surprised when person they challenge adore them for ask them question. We no need for things say it be a personal thing or an insult or for even justify person way it retaliate because it think through those primitive instincts, just cultural barriers, and we don't hold it back this far. We need for clear our head for think rationally. We need for bring back for Ambazonia pragmatic thinking and good entitlement for our people for we for push this revolution to the cross line. If some person tell you say 2-side collapse na bad thing, tell that person say your eye don't shine, you don't know the truth. If some man tell you say me you no wash your clothes for outside, me will not talk for outside, tell that man say your eye don't shine. Make we stand together like one man for observe the Independence Day goes down every Monday. Make we support our boys now our duty to them for equip them for defend our land. Make we resist until independence is effectuated. May God bless Ambazonia. May our revolution and war be short. May independence, freedom, democracy, and civil liberty be in Ambazonia forever. God bless Una. Capo Daniel signing off.
From West Africa, diplomacy, ahead.